Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to do a makeup inspired. It's because it is a Independence Day in the Philippines. As of now it is June 11, 2019 in the US, but later on when I uploaded this video it's going to be June 12, 2019, and Wednesday in the Philippines is actually a annual national holiday in the Philippines. In Declaration Independence Day of the Philippines in the colonial government of the Spain. Actually in June 12, 1898, and it was led by Emilio Aguinaldo, which is the first president of the Philippines on that time. Today I'm going to do the makeup inspired by the Philippine flag, which is, it has four colors, which is royal blue, crimson red, golden yellow, and of course the pure white. So let's move on. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back, guys. So I'm done with doing my eyebrows. I did use this one. This is the Etude House. This is their drawing eyebrows in the shade of dark brown, and I did use this one. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in high definition. This is the concealer in the shade of natural. I did clean my eyebrows, and at the same time I prepped my eyes for doing the eyeshadow later on, and I did set up them by using the Airspun, and this is in the translucent extra coverage. So later on I'm going to use this one to set my full face. And now moving on, I'm going to do is the eyes. For today's video I'm going to use this palette. This is the Take Me Back to Brazil from BH Cosmetics. So first of all I'm going to do is I'm going to pack a crimson red. So I have a red eyeshadow here, so I'm going to use that one. Next, I'm going to use this color right here. This is blue. So I'm going to do the other one, and later on I'm going to fix both of them. So I'll be right back, guys. So now I'm going to use this one. This is the Ico London. This is the Blackmagic liquid eyeliner with white lash. I'm going to use this Bad Gal by Medifit. This is a mascara. For the false eyelashes, I'm going to use this AOA Studio in the design of Alexis. I like this one because they have a natural one, but they have a long lashes, so I like using them. So I'm done with the eyes. Now I'm moving on to the face, and today I'm going to use this e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer, and I believe this is like $6 for a small one, I guess. I'm going to put some right here. Then now I'm going to use these two together, and this is the L'Oreal Infallible Up to 24 Hours Fresh Wear in the shade of 455, and this is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Foundation. It's up to 24 hours too, and this is in the shade of Buff Beige or 130. So I'm going to shake both of them, and I'm going to pump one of each. To pump one right here, L'Oreal one. Eye in the middle first. And now for the concealer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and it's in the shade of Light. Then I'm going to use this air spun, and I'm going to bake a little bit. To use this one, this is the L'Oreal Paris. This is their True Match Lumi Bronze It in the shade of medium. I'm going to contour. I'm going to take off the powder. Next, I'm going to use this one. This is the LA Girl Island Hottie. This is their blush palette, and I believe this is Island Hottie. Doesn't have any name, so I'm going to use the first one. So next, I'm going to use this highlighter. This is the Ofra collaboration with Nikki Tutorials. This is their highlighter Everglow. I'm going to use this one. This is like kind of champagne color. Now let's go back to the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to do is the under eye. I'm going back to the red one. This white one right here in the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to use this one. This is the Super Stay Matte Ink from Maybelline, and it's in the shade Fighter. I'm going to use a little bit of this one so that it's not really empowered the eye look. I don't know if it's good. I feel like I'm too dark on this lipstick. So I'm going to do is take this off before it's gonna get dry. So I'm going to change the Fighter lipstick into this one. It's still matte ink liquid lipstick by Maybelline, and it's in the shade of Pioneer. So I'm going to put 3 stars right here on my face, and this is actually yellow. This ones I compared them. This is like kind of orange, and this is red. So I figure out just show it to you guys so that you guys know it's yellow, because I feel like it's like orange for me, but I'm not sure. My forehead, like right here. The hardest part, I'm going to try to draw the sun in the center of my forehead. I'm going to use this palette still, and I will try to put a yellow on inside of that circle. Wait a minute. I do have a face paint. What the heck? It's okay. I will push this hard now. It's like paying off anyway. It's right there. is the final look of the makeup look of Philippine flag inspired, and I tried my best to the sun right there. So now I'm going to fix my hair and I'll be right back. And that's it for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you made this far, please give this a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and ring that bell button so that you guys get notified whenever I upload new videos to my channel. And that's it for you guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.